All right, everyone, we are making coconut shrimps. Again, I like everything coconut. Well, naturally, coconut is healthy for you, but since we're going to fry it, well, again, not too sure about that. Generally, this is almost like an assembly block. You start with shrimps with the tail still on. This has already been cleaned, deveined. And this is flour, all-purpose flour. I put about a cup and a half in here. We have 4 eggs that we're going to beat together, and this will contain shredded coconut. And of course, place to save them, at least assemble them before we start frying them. To start with, I'm going to actually season the flour with my own homemade seasoning that came from my back garden that I made myself. So I'm just gonna season to taste a little bit and then mix it together in terms of the flour, and then you can also add some Himalayan salt. Maybe a small amount. We're also going to season the shrimps as well. And then we're going to add a little bit of the seasoning to the shrimp. It's going to be well seasoned shrimp. And a dash of salt. Mix together. If you like, you could actually marinate this in advance, but I think I like my food well seasoned. That looks good. Then we're gonna crack these eggs. As part of assembly station. I'm gonna whisk it to make everything together. I also season the egg a little bit with the same seasoning. Okay, the next thing to do is to put the shredded coconut. And so now begin the assembly. And of course, you need a tray to assemble all your stuff together. Here we have the flour. So the first thing we do is to take the coconut and dip it in lightly by the tail into the seasoned flour. Then put it in the egg. This will be the glue that binds the whole thing, and then put it inside the coconut, shredded coconut, and coat it. And then let it. You want to probably just do this and do all of your shrimps before you can start frying. It's just make for an easier process. And of course, we already have the oil in the frying pan behind me. But we're going to do all these before we can fry it. You repeat till you get all of the shrimps done. If you feel like you're not getting enough, you can just add more to it. Just like I said, it is a complete assembly station. You walk from left to right. It makes it easier. If you just get everything arranged the proper way, it makes for an easier process. All right, so this is the whole preparation. We're about to start our frying. Here we go. The oil is also ready. You can test the oil by putting a skewer in here and then just watching it just bubble for a little bit. That's when you know that the oil is ready. This is actually this is olive oil that we're frying in it. Just start putting it. Just the reason why you want to actually get all your shrimp ready is to prevent having to stop and start. You just put them across. That way the oil will not burn and the shrimp will not look blackened. And so basically you want to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Then turn it. And cook the other side for 2 to 3 minutes and take it out. Some of it you can see some of it is already turning, so you just want to turn it around. And cook on the other side until golden brown. This does not take long at all. drain the oil. Once it's cooked, just put it in a, you can do this with just paper towel, just to drain it. To prevent it from getting soggy. And then repeat. Right, everyone, this is the finished product, and you can eat this with sauce of your choice. And just tasting it. It is great. Please like, subscribe, share. Thank you.